You got the hiccups? Yeah. You've been getting lots of hiccups, haven't you? Big yawn. What's this say? It says, I'm in charge. Ask Mom and Dad. Hiccup.